Hi, I'm Dr. John Neustadt, and I'm excited today to share with you one of our favorite summer soups. It's a refreshing, chilled watermelon soup. And in fact, I'm even wearing my watermelon shirt for this Facebook Live and to demonstrate and give you this recipe today. My wife Romy and I, we discovered this about a year ago. We were in Mexico on a trip, and the hotel we were staying at had chilled watermelon soup. It was so good, we had it every day. They served it in chilled coconut, and we're not that fancy, so a chilled bowl or even a room temperature bowl is what we do. We still love it, and I think you will too. This recipe will serve 4 people. It's quick, it's easy, takes about 15 minutes to prepare. You can chill the watermelon before making and preparing the soup to make it available to eat and ready to eat sooner, or you can just chill the watermelon for the watermelon soup after it's made for at least a half hour to really get the flavors to blend together, get a nice rich depth of flavors. What you're gonna need is 1 medium watermelon. It's gonna be 4 cups of cubed watermelon. You chop the watermelon up, you put it in a bowl, a medium type or large mixing bowl or pot is what you're gonna put these ingredients in. Then you're gonna have red onion, 4 tablespoons of red onion. Now both the red from the onion and the red from the watermelon are really rich in nutrients. Lots of antioxidants in there. This is a nutrient-dense soup that helps improve circulation because nutrients in the watermelon increase what's called nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, helps increase circulation throughout the body and delivery of nutrients and oxygen all throughout your body. Also has lycopene in it. It's a phenomenal antioxidant. This is just a really great, not only refreshing, but nutrient-dense, packed soup. Then you're gonna have a lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I like this squeezer here, and I just put this in there and squeeze it into a ramekin or into a cup and measure out 2 tablespoons, and then put it into the bowl. 2 teaspoons of serrano chili. A little tip, if you're working with the serrano chili, wear gloves or make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Be careful, do not touch your eyes because it'll burn. This is a great source of heat. It can be hot, it can add some nice depth and heat to the soup. Some people don't like it, so you can leave it out, but I love it, and so we leave it in. My family loves the heat as well from that. A little bit of salt, about a half a teaspoon of salt to taste. I like Himalayan salt, or you can use sea salt because they're richer and they have some trace minerals in them that regular table salt just doesn't have. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, both of those to taste. You put them all in the mixing bowl and you blend it up. Now you can throw that concoction into a blender, Vitamix or a stand-up blender to blend it. I prefer my hand mixer. I love this because it's easy to clean, it's easy to use, and I blend this, and you can just blend this to the consistency that you like. What comes out of it is this beautiful red soup. I transferred it into this bowl and chilled it before coming on and making this Facebook Live. When you're ready to eat it, what you do is you take pumpkin seeds. There's also pumpkin seeds in the recipe. And pumpkin seeds are a rich source of zinc and phytosterols. Phytosterols help promote healthy cholesterol levels. It can help reduce cholesterol. So another great source of nutrients, also some fiber, gives the soup some crunch and some depth that you're gonna love. Sprinkle that right in there, and fresh mint. And the mint adds a nice freshness to it. Put that in there, stir it all up, serve it chilled, and oh, that is delicious. You are gonna love it. Not only is this a great soup to eat during the summer, because on hot summer days, it's refreshing and it's chilled and it's really light, but it is so incredibly delicious and flavorful. Now, there's not a lot of protein in it, so make sure you pair it with something else that has some protein with it. This is not a standalone dish. But give it a try. You're gonna love it. Your family and friends are gonna love it. I'm gonna post the recipe below. It's easy and quick to make. Click on the link because the recipe I wrote up in a blog on the MBI website, mbihealth.com. When you click on that recipe, you can also download it, you can save it, you can print it, and make it. And when you do make it, come on back and comment below on how it went. What did you think? How did you love it? So I know you will. We make it multiple times every summer. Chilled soups, fresh fruit. When you combine the two, you've just got an amazing summer treat. Have a great day, and I will see you next week.